video. Today we actually have a new mod that's about to go on the Camaro right now. So y'all just stay tuned. It is carbon fiber. Y'all know how I like my carbon fiber stuff. So y'all just tune in, man. Watch the whole video, man. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm getting done right now. I'm about to show y'all what we about to wrap up. It's gonna look sick, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Watch the whole video, man. It's gonna be a little short video. I apologize for not uploading, guys. I've been busy. I've been working and stuff, guys. So I hope y'all understand. The car is kind of dirty, as y'all can see, man. It is super dirty. All the cars is super dirty. But we're going to take care of that this weekend, man. We're going to do some polishing, waxing, all kind of stuff, man, to make these things look good. And I also have some other mods that's going to go on the other vehicles, too. All right, guys. So as you can see, the truck is still covered. Crossfire still sitting here looking dirty. We got to get them all washed up. But in the meantime, guys, we're about to focus on this new mod that we got. I'm going to set the camera up so you guys can take a look of the install. So y'all just stay tuned, man. And if you stopping in for the very first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you hit that like button when you coming in, and share the video, man. That way a lot of more people can join in the channel and join in the family, man. So with that being said, let's go ahead and set the camera up, and we're about to get to this install real quick. So see y'all in a minute. All right, guys, so we're about to go ahead and get this thing installed. I know you guys can't see it because I don't have a tall enough stand to show you guys what it's gonna look like when I install it. But when I do install it, guys, I can show you the after on how it's gonna look. So what I'm about to do, take this old clean sock that I got, and I'm gonna just clean up the area where I'm gonna put the carbon fiber stickers. And yeah, so y'all just stay tuned, and see y'all in a minute, man, once I get all this stuff cleaned up. The screen is super dirty. I need to get some cleaning stuff from my screen, and I just need to clean the car, man. It's been raining so bad, y'all, like especially Houston area. It's been raining pretty bad. So the first item that I have, guys, and I will be ordering more of this because I like it. I really do like it, guys. If you guys can see, it's a glossy carbon fiber sticker. So it has a 3M tape on the back. Now this was pretty pricey, guys. More things came with it, so I really do like it because it's glossy. I was a little bit nervous of that because I really wanted it glossy, but yeah, this look good. We're about to go ahead and start installing it. So let's get this 3M tape off and see how it's gonna look. The good thing about this is that you can always raise it up and move it, and it'll still stick in place. So that'll be good. That'll be a good deal too. Right now I'm just getting everything lined up like so, and just go with the process. Right now I think I gotta get this part on there, this part. So this part has to come down. And I'm sorry y'all can't see this. I need a better mount to... I actually do have a mount, but it's in my truck. And I thought I grabbed the keys for my truck, but I didn't. Y'all just bear with me, man. I'm almost finished, and it's gonna look good. So I'll get this part up. And this is pretty cool, guys, because if this stuff, like if it doesn't stick, you can always get some more 3M tape and make it work. Like I say, you have to clean the surface really good in order for everything to stick. See, these are so skinny to where they ain't gonna stick. So I might have an issue with these later coming off. Everything else sticks pretty good. All right, y'all, enough with all that crazy stuff I was going through just now. But okay, something just fell off my stand. But yeah, as you guys can see, it looks really, really nice. A nice glossy finish on here, carbon fiber. Like, the only issue I had was these little pieces right up in here, because they so small and skinny. It's just not trying to stick right. So it's just gonna be hanging up a little bit than what it's supposed to, which is cool, as long as everything else sticks. I just want to show y'all. Y'all probably can see it there. That little part right there is like sticking up. So, but I ain't worrying about that. But overall, it's looking pretty good for now. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna, you know, have y'all watch the whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and install the other stuff, and I'll show y'all what it's gonna look like afterwards. So, King's Life. All right, guys, I'm back. So y'all, hey man, I hope y'all ready for this this carbon fiber reveal, man. So let's turn this camera around, and I'm gonna show y'all what I installed, man. So let's get it. Bow. What y'all think about the carbon fiber look right here in the center console, guys? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this carbon fiber. It is a glossy. It feels good. It don't feel rough. It's very smooth. I did wish it all like came around the edges, especially up in this area, because it is showing the original paint color. So I wish it did kind of like cover all of this up. But hey man, you get what you get. It still looks good to me. I like it. But like I said, man, y'all drop a comment down below. Let your boy know if it looks good or not, man. Like, these are stickers as well. I had to put these on. I had to be real careful on putting these because they're real flimsy, because they're skinny. So I was actually surprised that they stick pretty good on here because they so skinny. But overall, guys, it looks good. Now if y'all have a Camaro and y'all looking to do something like this, I ordered it from eBay. I order everything from eBay, guys. Now this setup here was around 60 bucks for just this setup alone was 60 bucks. So the next one I will order the radio dash, and I will order the AC panels, and then also right here in this inner you know, the window control panel and all that, I will be ordering that as well. That was around 20 bucks. And also the steering wheel, I want all of this carbon fiber, and the instrument cluster carbon fiber. So y'all gonna see a whole bunch of carbon fiber in this sucker, boy. This whole car about to be carbon fiber type. You know, even the cup holders. I got all this trash from the 3M tape, but yeah, man, that's it for now, man. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to give y'all some B-roll real quick, and then yeah, we'll end the video, man. So with that being said, hey, this your boy King's Life, checking out with another video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Carbon fiber, man. This whole car about to be carbon fiber. So y'all just stick around for the next builds, man. I got a whole bunch of parts for the other cars as well. So y'all stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. I appreciate all the love and support that y'all been giving me since I started the YouTube channel, man. I'm gladly appreciate it. And man, I'm very humble. So y'all comment down below, man. Tell me anything would y'all like to know about me or the cars or whatever, man. Just drop a comment down below, man. I'm not seeing a lot of comments. You guys are watching the videos, but y'all are not commenting. But that's cool if y'all want to comment. Hey, as long as y'all watch my video, man. Like I said, I gladly appreciate y'all for just tuning in, man. That's more than enough right there. But you know, make sure y'all hit that like button though when y'all come in. But yeah, man, the ZL1 is looking real nice right there, man. With that carbon fiber piece right there, that alone is gonna give me around, I would say, 50 horsepower, man. We'll see. I don't know yet, but hopefully it will. But we got one more big carbon fiber piece to put on this car, and yeah, for the outside actually. So it's gonna look dope, And yeah, y'all just gonna see it. I ordered another hood cowl decal as well, because as y'all guys know, my my centerpiece is like faded because of the sun. So I do have to put that piece on. I'll probably do that maybe sometime this weekend or next weekend. Y'all will see it, man, because I'll post it on YouTube and everything. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay humble, stay out the way. And yeah, just like that, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.